2018 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, Bedliner, passenger airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.